Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and generate multiple images at once in Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using Gemini and giving it prompts we wanted to go ahead and complete. So let's go and take a look at how to generate multiple images. So basically guys, to do this, you want to use a specific batch generation prompt. So you just want to instruct Gemini to act as a list generator, state your exact quantity such as 3 or 10 images, however you want, and describe each image individually. So you can use the bullet list method associated with an example prompt like this one guys. Generate a series of 3 individual images and do not stop generating until all images are completed. Image 1 should be a futuristic cyberpunk city skyline, image 2 should be a fluffy white cat, and image 3 a tranquil forest. So you can go ahead and fill it all out right here and give it that prompt, and by using this bullet list method that works both on web and mobile, you should be able to generate multiple images at once and is going to do your task just like requested. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.